Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to do the portfolio update for January 2024 and also show how my full overview of the year for 2023 went leading up to 2024. So just the information presented on this channel and in the videos is intended for entertainment purposes only. Please make sure to do your own research before investing. If you could like and subscribe, that would really help out the channel as well. All the support has been greatly appreciated. Just recently hit 100 subscribers at the end of December, so that was a massive milestone as well. Okay, so let's jump into it. So the aim of my portfolio is to create a passive income stream that allows me to live off dividends eventually. I invest in large cap UK companies and also some US companies as well. I use stocks and shares ISA. I use a stocks and shares ISA to protect my dividends from tax and also any gains. I use the Trading 212 platform and I have previously used the Vanguard, which I still have money in as well, but I just don't add to that anymore. So I'll show you all my portfolios that I have. Okay, so firstly my Trading 212 portfolio. This is the ISA for 2023-2024. I'm probably going to use it for the 2024-2025 as well, but I've not decided yet. So I currently have £15,174.76. I've added £13,970. That means I'm up 8.62%. So that's quite a large growth for this year. I'll show you my overall growth as well. So I'll show you on the Trading 212 portfolio and I'll show you in my spreadsheet as well. Okay, so the trade's made. I'm going to add £863 this year. However, I am recording this on the 31st of December and it'll be out on the 1st of January and I get paid on the 1st of January, so it will be invested at that point. So this is how much I will be adding. I've not added it yet, but that's how much I will be adding. So Chevron, Occidental, Citigroup, Kroger, Coca-Cola, Visa, Kraft Heinz, Bank of America, VeriSign, MasterCard, Moody's, DaVita, American Express, HP, Stellantis. That's the one that I'm going to be growing this year. Close Brothers Group, Rolls-Royce, Taylor Wimpey, TUI, Greencoat and AGNC. So these are all the trades that were made. The top half of these are all in the Buffett pie, which I'll leave a wee link to at the top that you can check out, but that's what all they were for the last month. So my dividends I received this month was £21.89. Not a great month, however I will be receiving my Vanguard in January. The ex-dividend date was the 27th, but you don't really get paid it until January because there's a few days that it takes before they are paid into your account. So all-time dividends for Trading 212 are £395.71. So this is a large amount of money that I'm really happy that I've got this year basically. It's not even been a year yet and I'm already nearly at £400, so I'm really happy with how that's going and hopefully it continues to grow as well. Okay, so we'll jump over to the Trading 212 platform now and I'll show you what my portfolio looks like on the app and then we'll jump back. Okay, so that's me over to the Trading 212 website. I actually use the app on my phone, however, it's a lot easier to show you on the online tracker. So over the last week, we've been right up to £920, £930 gained overall. This is huge, and if I show you the year, so this is where I started. I invested money. It started on the 10th of April, and now we're obviously in the 31st of December. So I've had a lot of gains in the past week, in the last month as well. As you can see here, it was down massively a few months ago. We were down nearly £1,200 and now we're nearly up the same amount. So that just shows you need to keep your money in the long term and it's not all about the gain or the losses. It's more about trying to grow the dividends. So some of the larger holdings you can pause at any point, or just scroll down and you can have a look, see what the gains have been, where I've lost money. Tesla's up, TUI as well, really like that company, and Stellantis, as I said, going to start investing a bit more into them as well in the coming year. Volkswagen's down, Zim, not really sure why I bought them because they had a big dividend at the time. However, I've now learned my lesson. That's what happens if you pay too big of a dividend. Eventually you can't pay a dividend. And all the rest are there to see if you would like. I've also got my Warren Buffett pie, and I'm going to be investing in my ETFs pie and my European pie in this coming new year. So if you'd like to see that, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So I think that's everything from the Trading 212 portfolio. The current value is right here. It's just to show what it looks like on the platform. We'll just head back over to the PowerPoint now, and we can have a wee look through the Vanguard portfolio. Okay, so this is us over to the Vanguard portfolio. This was my ISA from 2022 into 2023. I had this for one and a bit years, I suppose, that I invested money into it. I put in £18,794. My current amount at the moment is £21,291.07. I'm going to receive my dividends in January of 2024, and it comes quarterly, so it's every 3 months. It actually went ex-dividend date in December. However, it won't be paid till January, so I didn't put in what I would be owed, so this amount is actually less than what it would have been if it had the dividends in it. Okay, so these are all the holdings I have, and these are the values as of the time of recording. The next slide will have the dividends. However, there won't be any for December. They will actually all be in January. So each one of these will pay out in January. I'm expecting to receive around £100 maybe. I've not actually worked it out, but it will be around that sort of figure. So check back next month and you'll see how much I get for that. This is my overall view for my full portfolio. So for my Vanguard account, I have 21,291. I have an NS&I account which acts as my emergency fund, and I just have it in a high yield savings account there. So that's £9,173. I don't add any money to that. However, that money's there and it just gains interest. My current amount for Trading 212, as we've seen, was £15,174. And this is the total amount down here. So since I started 2 years ago, I'm actually up 9.27% overall. I've added £41,764, and I'm actually I've got 45,600. I've not added the money for this month, so it will actually be 800 or so pounds higher next month, and obviously I'll be adding in next month's money as well when you see the video. So the dividends, I've all-time dividends, I've had £1,060, and my dividends this month were £21.89. This will again rise next month when I get my Vanguard dividends, and Trading 212, there will be more dividends hopefully in January as well. So I'm just going to jump over, I don't normally, but because it's the end of the year, I'm just going to show you my breakdown of my full portfolio on my Excel spreadsheet for the full of 2023, now that it's finished. And if it's something you'd like to see every video, I'll start including my spreadsheet as well, and I've also made a video on how to make them as well. So we'll jump over there just now and I'll give you a wee run through that as well. Okay, so we're just over to the portfolio. This is a tracker that I built. I've done a video on how to make this, and you're more than welcome to have a wee look, and I'll leave the video linked up the top as well. So these are all the amounts that I've put in this month or this year. So the 31st of December, this is the value at the moment, and that's the value, and it was seen in the PowerPoint as well. So this is my gain, my investment changes. This includes money added, so it's not massively important, sorry. And then here is my summary, so you can see the total amount in investments, total money that I've put in, total dividends, and you can see my total investment gain this year as well. And this is minus the income, so I'm actually up 22.3% for this year, so that's huge. And my target for the year was 44,000. However, I managed to make over that, so it was actually £1,639 over my target. So this is huge. And these are my dividends as well. And then I've got my 2024, which I've just added in as well. So the 1st of January, it will be the exact same because the stock market's closed. So that's the opening values for from the previous year. My target 60,000, which you can see in my target video on my goals, and this is the amount that I will be adding in. It's actually wrong, I need to change that because it's larger now. And that's everything for this, so we'll just jump back over to the PowerPoint, and that'll be that. So thank you guys very much for watching. If you could please like and subscribe, it would really help me out. And I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you keep coming back to continue watching the journey through investments, all of my investments even. And if you would like to let me know any video suggestions, you can even just say hi, anything, leave it in the comments and I'll get back to you. I really enjoy a wee bit of interaction with the viewers, and yeah, and I've also got my Twitter, which I've left in the link below as well, which you can check out and drop me any questions or send me any posts or anything like that as well. So thank you guys very much again for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you have a great new year.